The English is a more patient opening, where white plays c4 to control the d5 square without committing a central pawn. c5 meets c4 with a symmetrical approach to controlling the center. Knight f3 develops the knight and controls the d4 and e5 squares. The bishop is ready to be developed to an active square. This prepares your bishop for development. The bishop is ready to be developed to an active square. You are bringing your knight into play, eyeing the central squares. That's fine. You apply pressure to your opponent's pawn chain. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade. You captured back, developing the bishop and increasing influence in the center. You are bringing your bishop into play, eyeing the central squares. This threatens to win a knight through a fork. You prevented your opponent from being able to win a knight through a fork. Black has a backward pawn, which can be a weakness. You are threatening to tactically win a queen. This blocks an attack on a queen. This is a fine move. This overlooks an opportunity to develop a knight off its starting square. Develops the bishop and attacking the center. This misses an opportunity to develop a bishop off its starting square. This allows the opponent to sacrifice a knight for a nice tactic. You found the right idea by sacrificing your knight. That was a free knight. This is the only move that works, and you found it. This loses a queen. You captured that free queen. Very precise. Nice move. Your piece now controls more squares. This leads to losing a rook. Yes, this is the way. Developing the bishop and increasing influence in the center. That pin will win material. A solid choice. Your rook has great control of the open file. This move puts the bishop on a safer square. This is a winning capture since the knight is pinned. Recaptures. Nice, definitely the right move.